How to handle 1099 forms. What you need to know before filing. Most business owners and freelancers don't think about 1099 forms until tax season hits, and that's a mistake. Because if you don't handle them correctly and on time, you could face IRS penalties, incorrect filings, and even audits. But here's the good news, handling 1099 forms doesn't have to be stressful. You just need to know the rules, the deadlines, and how to stay compliant. Hey, I'm Andrew from Blu Hat Bookkeeping, and today I'm breaking down everything you need to know about 1099s before filing, so you can avoid penalties, file with confidence, and keep your business running smoothly. Let's dive in. 1. Who needs to file a 1099? You must file a 1099 NEC employee compensation if you paid an independent contractor or freelancer $600 or more during the year. You paid them via cash, check, or direct deposit, not through PayPal, Venmo, or credit card. More on that later. They are not an employee, meaning you don't issue them a W-2. Common mistake. Thinking that because you hired someone just once, you don't need to file a 1099. The IRS doesn't care if you paid them once or 100 times. If the total is $600 or more, you must file 1099 NEC. 2. 1099 MIC versus 1099 NEC, which one do you use? The IRS changed the rules in 2020, and now there are two major 1099 forms for reporting payments. Get this part wrong, and you could trigger an IRS flag. 1099 NEC non-employee compensation. Use this for paying freelancers, contractors, and self-employed individuals for services performed. 1099 MIC miscellaneous income. Use this for rent payments $600 plus, royalties $10,000 plus, prizes or awards. Key takeaway. If you're paying an independent contractor, use 1099 NEC. If you're paying for rent or other miscellaneous income, use 1099 MISC. 3. Payment methods matter: 1099 or no 1099. Here's a common mistake that trips up business owners. Not all payments require a 1099. When you must file a 1099. If you paid via cash, check, edge transfer, or direct deposit, you must issue a 1099. When you do not need to file a 1099. If you paid via PayPal, Venmo Business, or credit card, you do not need to file a 1099 because the payment processor handles it with a 1099K. Common mistake. Many business owners issue unnecessary 1099s for payments processed through PayPal or credit cards. Don't waste your time. 4. Deadlines and penalties. Don't miss these dates. The IRS doesn't play around with late filings. Missing the deadline can result in serious penalties. Key deadlines for 1099. January 31st, you must send 1099s to contractors and file with the IRS. March 31st, if filing electronically, you get an extra month. IRS penalties for late filing. 1 to 30 days late. $50 per form. For 31 days to August 1st. $110 per form. 30 After August 1st, $290 per form. Intentional disregard, $580 per form. Key takeaway. Stay ahead of the deadline and you'll avoid unnecessary fines or worse, an audit. 5. How to file a 1099 the right way. Now that you know who needs a 1099 and when to file, let's talk about how to file correctly. Step 1. Collect a W-9 from every contractor. Before making a payment, always request a Form W-9. This ensures you have the correct tax ID and legal name. Step 2. Choose your filing method. Option 1. Use IRS forms. You can manually file using paper forms, but it's time-consuming. Option 2. Use an e-file services like Tax 1099 or Track 1099 make filing fast and easy. Step 3. Send copies to the IRS and contractor. Contractors get copy B. The IRS gets copy through e-filing or mail. Using an e-file service is the fastest and easiest way to stay compliant and avoid headaches. 1099s don't have to be stressful, but only if you handle them correctly and on time. If you're still unsure about filing or need help staying compliant, we've got you covered. At Blu Hat Bookkeeping, we help business owners and freelancers handle 1099s the right way so you can avoid penalties and stay focused on growing your business. Click the link below to book your free consultation today and make tax season stress-free. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Have you filed your 1099s yet? Drop a comment if you need help.